Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access the recycle bin here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Accessing the recycle bin in Salesforce allows you to recover deleted records, and there are multiple ways for you to access the recycle bin in Salesforce depending on whether you are using the Lightning Experience or the Salesforce Classic. In my case, all I have to do is hover to the app launcher that's going to be located on the grid icon on top of the left side panel of your screen. And from here, on the search bar, type in recycle bin. Click that. And from here, all you have to do, if you have deleted any items here, you can see all the records. You can filter by type right here. If you wanted, for example, is it going to be contacts, accounts, leads, and to restore any deleted record, just click on the box right here. For example, this one. Click on restore next to the record you want to recover. Of course, this button will help you do that. And if you wanted to permanently delete the records from this interface, all you have to do is click on the delete option. All right, so it's a really easy thing to do. If in case you encounter any problems accessing the recycle bin, for example, you can't access that using the app launcher, all you have to do is go to the Salesforce Help Center, click on Get Support, click on Confirm, and you will be forwarded to another page wherein all I have to do is contact the support. Just wait for it. There should be a designated contact for you. All right, so log into your account. Once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems accessing your recycle bin, and of course they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.